Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Code with ER. In this video guys, we are gonna learn something new, something different. In this video guys, we are gonna learn something new, something different in Vue.js 3. Okay? Yes guys, you heard it right. Today in this video, in this session, we are gonna learn something new, something different in Vue.js 3. Okay? And guys, today in this video, in this session, we are gonna learn that how to pass the data from the child components and how to pass the data from the child components to the parent components. Okay? Yes guys, you heard it right. In this video today we are gonna learn that how to pass the data from the parent components to the child components and how to pass the data from the child components to the parent components simultaneously, okay, at the same time. Okay, so guys, in the previous videos we have learned about that how to pass the data from the child components to the parent components using the Emit method, and how to pass the data from the parent components to the child components using the technique props. Okay, but guys, today in this video, in this session, we are gonna learn that how to pass the data from the parent components to the child components using the props, and how to pass the data from the child components to the parent components using the technique, using the method emit simultaneously at the same time. Okay, yes guys, you heard it right. We are going to use both the technique, we are going to use both the method at the same time in this video, in this session. Okay, so guys, now guys, just to give you an example, just to give you a demo, I have already created an example. So let me go to the example first and let me explain you the example, what I mean and what we are going to learn today in this video, in this session. Okay, so let me go to the example first and let me explain you the example as well. So guys, this is the example I have built using HTML, CSS and Vue.js 3. Okay, so guys, this is just a text. Okay, this is nothing, it is just a text. Okay, up to here it is just a static text. Okay, so guys, here you can see the dynamic Vue 3 Vue.js 3 props. Okay, so guys, there is a question also that can props be passed from child components to the parent components. Okay, so guys, the answer is no. In Vue.js, props are designed to be passed from parent components to the child components. The data flow is unidirectional, meaning that props are used for parent to child communication. Okay, guys, similarly, emit are used to uh, child to parent communication. Okay, but guys, in this video we are going to learn that how to use both the technique like props as well as emit to send the data from the parent components and to receive the data from the child components in the same video today. Okay, so guys, as you can see here guys, there is a message also, I mean the text also, hello from parent, and below you can see some programming languages name also like JavaScript, Vue.js, Angular, React, MongoDB, Java and PHP, and one button also, change child message. Okay, so guys, the moment you will click on the button change child message, this message is gonna be changed. Okay, so guys, now let me just click the button change child message. See, you can see guys, the message have been changed like updated message from the child, I have received your array. Okay, so guys, this is the array we have sent from the parent components to the child components using the method, using the technique props. Okay, so guys, in this video we are going to learn that how to use both the technique, I mean emit as well as the props to send the data from the parent components to the child components and to receive the data from the child components to the parent components in this video, in this session. Okay, so guys, now let's get started and let's learn. Okay, but guys, before starting of the video, I would like to request you all guys, please guys, subscribe to my YouTube channel Code with ER, and please press the bell icon also, so that whenever I will upload the new video in the playlist, you can be notified and you can watch them instantly and you can learn from them also. Okay, and guys, professionally you will definitely grow also. Okay, so, and guys, if you feel you have learned something from this video, from this session, then please guys, do like all my videos, which will give me the confidence, which will give me the motivation to make awesome videos like this for you on each and every topic of web development as well as full stack development also. And guys, if you are someone who is looking for a tutorial, who is looking for a video for ServiceNow, then guys, this channel is definitely for you. Make sure guys to subscribe to this channel Code with ER, because on this channel guys, I will be teaching you ServiceNow also, because as you all know that I am a ServiceNow developer and I have got more than 4 years of experience into software development. Okay, so guys, make sure to subscribe to the channel Code with ER if you are a Vue.js learner also, if you are a Vue.js developer also, and if you are someone who is dreaming to become a ServiceNow developer also, then guys, you must subscribe to the channel Code with ER. Okay, because on this channel I will be teaching you each and everything from the web development to the ServiceNow as well. Okay, so guys, now let's get started and let's learn. Okay, so guys, first of all, let me go to the code editor. So guys, here I'm gonna use here Sublime Text. Guys, you are free to use the IDE of your choice, of your what can I say, preferences. Okay, so guys, first of all we have to create the HTML. So I'm gonna create here one HTML page. So I'll say here props. Okay, props and emit. Okay, dot HTML, because we are gonna learn props as well as emit in the same video, in this single video. Okay, so guys, just save this page. Okay, create a HTML first. So I'll say here Code with ER Prabhat Pandit. Okay, so guys, by now you all know that my name is Prabhat Pandit and I am a software developer. Currently I am working as a ServiceNow developer at Happiest Minds Bangalore, and I have got more than 4 years of experience into software development. Okay, so guys, we are done with the HTML boilerplate, we are done with the HTML template. So guys, let me just paste some of the serial links from the previous example only, just to save our little bit of time. Okay, so let me go to the example first. So guys, this is the example. So I'm gonna copy these links from here, and we're gonna paste here into our code below the title tag. Okay, so let me explain you also. So guys, as you can see here, this is the CSS file for bootstrap.main.css. Okay, and it is inside the folder CSS. Okay, and guys, this is the JS file for Vue.js3. You can see here Vue.global.js, and it is the inside the folder JS. Okay, so guys, now we are done with the links. Okay, so guys, now we are good to go and good to write the code as well. Okay, so guys, first of all I'm gonna create here one div. Okay, one container div. So create a div, give it a class as a container, and give margin top also 5 and give margin bottom also 5, and just close this div. And inside this div, guys, I'm gonna create here another div. So create a div, give it a class as a, just give as a text center, and yeah, just give margin top 3 also for, and give margin bottom also 3, and just close this div. And inside this div I'm gonna create here h1 element. Okay, so and I'm gonna give the class also as a text center and text dark. Okay, and inside this div I'm gonna put here some text also, that learn props. Okay, because we are going to learn both the techniques, props and emit. Give dollar, give a small e. Okay, learn props and emit in the single video. Okay, because we are going to learn both the technique today props as well as emit method, okay, to send the data from the parent components to the child components and to receive the data from the child components to the parent components, okay. So guys, now just save your code and open in browser. Sorry guys. So now you can see guys the text also, learn props and emit in the single video, or guys I can say in a single video, okay. So yeah, we have to be grammatically correct also, okay, in a single video, okay. So now that's the correct sentence. So yeah, that's cool now. So guys, now we are gonna just create all these things using the props. We are not gonna use this text as a message, okay. I just gave this text to give you the example that can be passed the props from the child components to the parent components. So the answer is no, okay. It is unidirectional. Props are designed to be passed from the parent components to the child components. The data flow is unidirectional, meaning that props are used for parent to child communication, okay. We can't pass from the props from the child components to the parent components. No, it is not going to happen, okay. For that we have the another method, which is emit method, okay, which is emit, okay. So we are going to use here today both the technique, props as well as the emit, okay, in a single video. So just go to the code again, and yeah, so guys, first of all we are going to create here our script element. So I'm going to create here a script, okay. So guys, now we are going to write our Vue.js3, okay. So guys, just be here and watch the entire video guys very carefully and very patiently as well, okay. Because guys, if you will miss something, you will miss each and everything from this video, from this session, okay. And at the end you will end up losing your energy, losing your time, okay. So guys, be focused and yeah, just watch the video carefully, okay. So guys, now I'm gonna create here our Vue.js parents component. So I'll say here const, okay, and I'm gonna give here an variable name, okay, as a app, and I'll say here view.create app, okay. So guys, also here guys, here also I'm gonna use the option API. So guys, you are free to convert this option API into the composition API as well, okay. Guys, all the mechanism, all the steps will be same there also in the composition API, okay. So guys, this video have been designed, this video have been created for the beginners, for the new learners in Vue.js, okay. So guys, this video is for someone who is dreaming to become a Vue.js developer, because this video have been designed, this video have been created to cater the new learners, to cater the beginners in Vue.js, okay. So guys, as you all know, we use Vue.create app to create the application, to create the app inside Vue.js 3, okay. So guys, now here also we are also going to use the same function, Vue.create app, to create the app, okay. So just open this, and I'm going to create here one data function, okay. So I'll say here data colon function, put parenthesis, open and closing braces, and it is going to return all the properties, all the data, or the state variables. So I'll say here return open and closing braces, okay. So guys, now first of all we are going to create here one variable named, I will give here name as a parent, okay, parent. I'll say here message, okay, parent message, and I'll just give here colon, and colon, not here, okay, colon, and I'm gonna put here some text also. I'll say here hello, okay, hello from parent, okay, hello from parent component, okay, component, okay. So guys, this message we are going to receive inside the child components, and we are going to show it the to the output, okay, to the browser, okay. So we will receive this message, okay, from this parent components into the child components, okay, by using the technique props, okay. So yeah, that's it. And guys, here also I'm going to define here inside the parent only I'm gonna define here one array, okay, named ARR, okay. So put colon and just, so guys, let me guys just do one thing. I can paste guys, I can paste this array from the previous example only, okay. So guys, I hope you know how to declare array, how to define the array inside the Vue.js theory, okay. So guys, I will, if you don't know guys, just don't worry, just be here, I will explain you, I will teach you, okay. So guys, let me just go to the example first, and let me just copy this array from here, okay, and let me paste here also, okay. So guys, here I have given I have defined a name as a ARR and colon and open and closing square bracket, and inside this I have defined here array elements, okay. So guys, JavaScript, Vue.js, Angular, React.js, MongoDB, Java and PHP is known as the array elements, okay. So guys, in Vue.js, okay, we define array like this, okay. Okay, so guys, now that's it. So just close this and put comma here, and below I'm gonna create here one method also. So guys, method we will create later on, okay. So guys, now we are gonna just create the child components, okay. So just create the child components, okay. So guys, first of all, let me just mount this app to our Vue.js instance, okay. So just close it here and just go a little down, put app dot say mount, okay. And here I'm gonna put here hash, and I will give the ID as a app, okay. So just close it, okay. So guys, now in this way we have mounted our this Vue.js instance, okay, this Vue.js instance by the ID app. So now we are going to use this ID app into our parent components, into our view part, which is HTML part, okay. So I'm going to use here I'm going to give here this entire div the same ID, this entire div the same ID as a app, okay, as a this app, okay. So just copy it from here and give the ID to this div, okay, as a app only, okay. So guys, now this entire div, this entire HTML part or the parent component have been mounted with our this Vue.js instance, okay. So that's it, yeah. So guys, now we are going to define here one child components also. So I'm going to define here one child components. So I will say here app dot components, okay. So guys, okay, components. And guys, let me just ask you one thing, guys. If you don't know that how to create the components, how to, you know, yeah, how to create the components, then please guys just go back and please watch my previous videos, that how to create components and what is the components inside the Vue.js theory, okay. Then only you will be able to get this video, then only you will be able to understand this video, okay. So guys, although I will explain you here also that how to create the components, okay. So guys, to create the components, in order to create the components, we say here app, okay, this app dot component. And guys, now we are gonna put here single or double quotes, it's up to you, and we are going to define the name of the child components, okay. So guys, here I will give the name as a child component, okay, as a child hyphen component, okay, component, okay. So guys, this is the name of this child component, okay, as a child component only, okay. So guys, this is the name of this child component as a child component only, okay. So put here comma, put open and closing braces, okay. So guys, inside this you are free to define your template, you are free to define your methods, you are free to define your data function, you are free to define your return statement, you are free to define your lifecycle hook, you are free to define your created method, computed method, array, variables. Guys, you are free to define anything inside this child components, okay, because this is a separate code base, okay. This is a separate code, you are free to define anything, and you are free to access anything from this child components, okay, from this child components inside the parent components by the unique by the using technique emit method, okay. So guys, if you wanna use anything from this child components, guys, if you want to use anything from these child components, okay, inside our parent components, then you have to use the technique emit. Okay, you have to emit something, you have to send something using the emit function from this child components to this parent components. Okay, then only parent component is going to receive it, then only parent component is going to talk with this child components, okay, using the emit method. Okay, and if you want to receive something, okay guys, if you want to receive something from this parent components inside our child components, okay, inside our child components, then only we have to use the props. Okay, sorry guys. So guys, parent can only send the data to this child components using the method, using the technique props. Okay, so guys, I hope I have explained you to the code. Okay, so guys, now we are going to define the one template also. So I'm going to define here one template. So I'll say here template colon, and I'm going to use here backtick for the multi-line template. Okay, so for the multi-line, just close this, and guys, now we have to okay, so now, okay, so guys, now we have to send this parent message to the to this child components, and this array also to this child components using the props. Okay, using the props. So guys, now here I'm gonna use create here props. Okay, so guys, props means properties. Okay, always remember props is short for properties. Okay, so I'll say here props. Okay, and just put here colon, and just use this opening and closing square brackets. Okay, so guys, now we have to send this, okay, this parent message to this child, and this array also from this parent components to this child components using the method props. Okay, that's why I have defined here props colon opening and closing square brackets, and we will receive this, okay, parent message and the array from here to the child components into this components. Okay, so guys, for this we have to use these child components as a custom HTML tag. Okay, as a custom HTML tag, I'm gonna use this child hyphen component inside our view part, inside our HTML part. Okay, inside our parent part. Okay, so I'll say here, I'll go up here, and I'll just use this as a custom HTML element. Okay, so just paste it here, and just close this also. Okay, you can see here guys, we're just opening a tag, and we're just closing a tag also. Okay, here also you can see child hyphen component is open, and it is also closed here. Okay, so guys, the moment you will create the child components, you have to use the child components, you have to use the parent components as a custom HTML element, as a custom HTML tag. Okay, then only you will be able to receive something from the parents, then only you will be able to send something to the parents using the emit as well as using the props. Okay, so guys, here also we are gonna receive this parent message. Okay, so I'm gonna receive this parent message and just copy it from here, and I'm gonna use here vbind. I will use this shorthand for vbind, which is colon. Okay guys, shorthand for vbind, which is the this colon. Okay, so I'll say here this colon, I'm gonna use here a message to bind these properties, to bind this attribute from this parent components. Okay, okay, so I'll say here message equal to sorry guys, so I'll say here guys, I'll say here colon message equal to, we will just bind these properties, we will just bind this attribute to this message from this parent components. Okay, from this parent components. Okay, so guys, in this way, so guys, if you don't know that how to pass the props to the how to pass the props from the parent components to the child components, then please guys just go and watch my previous videos guys. Okay, in that video guys, I have explained to the code, to the deep, that how to receive the props inside the child components from the parent components. Okay, So guys, we receive props, we receive properties from the parent components using the technique vbind. Okay, and guys, colon is the shorthand for vbind. Okay, so we will define here one attribute or one yeah, you can say, yeah, guys, we will define here one attribute as a message, and we will say here equal to this parent message. Okay, this parent message. Okay, so guys, in this way we have bind this parent message to this message. Okay, so guys, now all these properties, all the what can I say, variable is gonna come here inside this message, and we have to use this message as a props inside the HTML, I mean inside the child components. Okay, inside the child components. Okay, so I'm gonna use this message as a props inside our child components. Okay, so just copy this message from here and just paste it here. Okay guys, you can define here any text. Okay, you can define anything from here. Okay, so guys, it is just a message, so I'm gonna use here as the variable or the text as a message only. Okay, it is up to you to use any text. Okay, it is up to you to define it. Okay, so okay guys, so we have used here props also, and we have received this message as a props from this parent message. So everything from this parent message is now inside this message. We have used here vbind also, just to bind this attribute parent message to this message, and we will use this message as a props inside the child components. Okay, so I hope guys you are getting me what I'm trying to say you. Okay, so guys, now we are gonna create here one div inside our template. Okay, so I'm gonna create here one div. So create a div, and you can give the class also, it's up to you. I'm gonna give the class as a temp here. Okay, because it is a template, so just close this temp, I mean div, and inside this just close, I mean open this, and we are gonna use here this props variable just to show the message, this message. Okay, hello from parent component to the browser as a output. Okay, because we have received this message hello parent message as a props. Okay, as a props inside our this message equal to parent message inside our child components. Okay, child hyphen components, which is a custom HTML tag, HTML element. Okay, so we will say here props message, and we are gonna just show this message to the browser as a output. Okay, so I'll just say here s2 and close this. Yeah, and now we have to say here double curly braces, because you all know whatever we have to show. Sorry guys. Okay, so guys, whatever we have to show to the as a output, we will use here double curly braces. Okay, so we will just show this message, we just want to show this message, so we will use this message inside this double curly braces. Okay, so guys, yeah, so yeah, I hope everything is fine. So just go to the save your code and go to the browser and go here and refresh the page. Okay, so we got an error, so let me just check it. What is the issue? Go to the console and template. Okay, so it is saying unexpected identifier template. Let me see, let me check why it is saying so yeah, we have to close this, I guess. So close this. Yeah, we have to close this. Okay, so now just save your code and go to the browser and now refresh the page. Still it is saying the same thing. Why? Okay, put here comma. Yeah, put here comma. I forget to put here comma. So now just go to the browser and now refresh the page. Yeah, see, boom guys, now this time works. Our code is working fine. Okay, so we got to see here one message hello from parent. Okay, which is defined inside the parent, inside this parent message hello from parent, and we are receiving here this parent message inside this message variable. You can say the you can say guys, this is a variable, this is a container, although it is not a variable, it is not a container, it is just a custom HTML attribute HTML properties. Okay, we are receiving this like parent message as a props, as a props. Okay, we will say here, we will use here vbind, and we are just using the short for vbind, which is colon, and we will just give any variable name, and we will just say equal to, and we will just receive this parent message as a equal, as a parameter to this parent text or the container or the variable. Okay, okay, and we will just use this message, we will just use this message as a props. Okay, as a props inside our child components. Okay, so you can see here I am saying here props colon opening and closing square bracket, and we have just used this message. Okay, this message as a props. Okay, as a props, and inside the template we have defined this message as a variable. Okay, inside the double curly braces. Okay, so that's why we are able to see the this text hello from parent components. Okay, so guys, I hope guys you're getting me what I'm trying to say. Okay, so guys, yeah, that's it. Okay, so now we will just loop through, we will just create this array. Okay, we will just pass this array also, this arr also as a what can I say, as a props to this child components, to this child components. Okay, so guys, now I'm gonna pass this arr also as a props to this child components. So I will give here colon also, I will just say here, you can say anything guys. Okay, it's up to you. So I'll say here just give array, give item only. Okay, just give array item only, and just give equal to, and guys, now we have to pass this arr as a props to this child hyphen component HTML tag. Okay, HTML custom HTML tag. Okay, custom HTML tag. Okay, you can say custom HTML tag. Okay, child components, which is this child components. Okay, we have defined it here, and we are using this child hyphen components as a custom HTML tag. Okay, inside our view part, inside our HTML part. So guys, now we are gonna pass this array arr as a props to this child components. So we will say here again, we will use here vbind. So I'm gonna use here colon for the vbind. I'll say here any text, I'm gonna say here array item equal to, we will just pass this arr as a props. Okay, so we have passed it. So guys, now we will receive this arr array item as a props inside our HTML, I mean inside our child components. Okay, so sorry guys, every time I am saying HTML, so just sorry for this. So yeah, so we have to use this arr item as a props inside our child components. Okay, so just copy this from here and put here comma, and say here single quote, you can say double quote, it's up to you, and just paste it. Simple. Yeah, so guys, now everything. Okay, so guys, now everything from this array, guys, now everything from this array is inside this array item. Okay, inside this array item. So guys, we will loop through this array item, we will loop over this array item inside our child components, inside our template properties. Okay, so guys, now everything, guys, now everything from this array, okay, from this array arr have been or is inside this array item. Inside this array item, we have received this array item as a props from this parent components inside our child components. Okay, inside our child components, which is a custom HTML tag. Okay, by the technique props, we will say here vbind. I'm gonna use here short for vbind, which is the colon, and I'm gonna define here any text. For this, I'm saying here array item equal to arr. So arr this array. Okay, and we have passed this as a props, and we have received this array item as a props, here. You can see here inside our props array, and we are gonna loop through, we are gonna loop over this array item inside our template. Okay, inside our template, which will be shown on the browser as a output. Okay, guys, it is as simple as that. Okay, so just loop through this array item, and we will show JavaScript, Vue.js, Angular, React.js, MongoDB, Java and PHP to the browser as a output for the user. Okay, so guys, now just give here I'm gonna give here one HR. So I'm gonna give here one HR for the horizontal line break. So guys, now I'm gonna use here UL element. Okay, so I'll say here UL, close this UL first. I'm gonna give the class also to this UL element. So I'll say here sorry guys, so I'm say here class, I'll give here list group. Okay, list group. Okay, so guys, inside this I'm gonna create here li. So li, give the close this li first and give the class also. Just give the class as a list group item. Okay, list group item. Okay, so I will use here v4 directive inside the Vue.js 3 to loop through this array item. Okay, inside our child components. Okay, so guys, I hope guys I'm trying to make this, you know, like props or the Emit function or the technique easy for you. Okay, so guys, you will have a clear picture, you will have a clear understanding in your mind that how to use the props and how to use the Emit method inside the Vue.js 3. Okay, so guys, if you are new to Vue.js, and guys, if you are a new beginner, if you are a new learner, Vue.js Vue.js 3, then guys, this video is definitely for you. You should definitely watch this video till last. Okay, then guys, trust me guys, after watching this video, after having this session guys, you will become a master in, you know, like props and in Emit method. Okay, inside the Vue.js 3. Okay, if you are someone who is learning, who has started learning Vue.js 3 in 2024. Okay, so guys, this video is definitely for you, and please guys do subscribe to the channel, code with ER, and please guys press the bell icon also. Okay, so guys, now okay, so we will just use here v4 attribute, directive also. So I'll say here v4 equal to, I'll just say here I'll say here item. Okay, item in this array item. Okay, in this array item. Okay, we have received this array item as a props from this parent components, which is this arr. We will say here array item and equal to arr. Okay, so we will receive this array item as a props inside our child components. Okay, so we have to now loop through this array item. Okay, so just copy this from here and paste it here. Okay, so let me just, can I bring it into the same line? Okay, yeah, it is into the same line. Okay, so guys, I hope you are able to see this. Although we have to pass the key also, so it is gonna come again, it is again gonna break. Okay, so we have to pass here key also, key attribute also. So I'll say here colon key, yeah, equal to we will just pass the index. Okay, so I'll say here you can say here index. Okay, so we have to define the index also. So we have to define the index also. So I'll say here comma and put here index also. Okay, that's it. Yeah, so we have yeah. So guys, just open this, and inside this we have to say here double curly braces, because we have to show something as a output. Okay, and you all know, if we have to show something as a output from the Vue.js, then we have to use double curly braces. Okay, so guys, now everything inside from this array item is inside this item. Okay, it will loop through again, it will copy it into it, it will again loop through the array, and it will store it inside the item. Again it will loop through, it will again store the item inside this, or the element inside this item. Again it will loop through, and again it will store the element inside this item. Again this will loop through, again it will store inside this item variable. So we have to use this item variable as a output. So we will just say here double curly braces, and we have to paste it here, this item. Okay, so guys, now just save your code and go to the browser and just refresh the page. So see, boom guys, we got our output, our array element. Okay, so JavaScript, Vue.js, Angular, React.js, MongoDB, Java and PHP. Okay, so see guys, see this array have been defined inside the parent components, and we have used the props, we have used the technique known as the props, which is used to send the data from the parent components to the child components, and we have received here this array as a props inside our child components into the array item. Okay, we will say here colon array item equal to array. We will pass this array as an attribute to this array item, to this child component, which is a custom HTML tag. Okay, and we will receive this array item as a props inside our child components. Okay, inside our child components in the props properties, we will see here props colon, we will define here okay, so it is an array of props. Okay, so message and array, we have received here message also. See message, which is parent message, and array item, which is an array from this parent. So inside our parent array item, so here we have got two props, message and array item inside our child components, and we are just using this array message here, and we are just using this array item here to loop through this array item, and we have just shown the output also, JavaScript up to the PHP. Okay, so guys, now we have to define one button also. Okay, we have to define one button also, and the moment user is going to click on the button, we will change, let me just refresh the page. Okay, so we will just change the message hello from parent to something else. Okay, so guys, for this we are gonna use here the emit method as well. Okay, so guys, as you can see here in a single video, guys, I will teach you both the technique props as well as the emit method. Okay, so guys, now we are gonna create here one button also. So I'm gonna give here HR for the horizontal line break. Okay, so I'm gonna define here one button also. So I'll create one button also. So button, and close this button now. Okay, so just give the class also, give btn, and btn I'll give here danger. Okay, so I'll give the define the text also. So I'll define the text. So I'll say here just say the same thing, change. Okay, change child message. Okay, so message, yeah. Okay, so guys, we have to define here one click method also. Okay, on this button we are going to define one click method also. So I'll say here @click. As you all know, @ is the shorthand for VON, and VON is used as an event handler inside Vue.js 3. And your guys, event, you can say click is an event, mouse enter, mouse leave, all these things are considered as an event inside the Vue.js 3, as well as JavaScript also, as well as TypeScript also, as well as React, as well as what can I say, Angular also. Okay, so guys, here inside the Vue.js we use @, which is the shorthand for VON. We will say here click, and we are going to define here one method name also. So I'll say here update. Okay, update child message. Okay, message. Okay, so guys, the moment user is going to click on this button, change child message, we are gonna trigger, guys, we are gonna trigger this update child message. And guys, this is this update child message is gonna emit a custom event. Okay, a custom event. Okay, so guys, the moment user is going to click on this button, it is gonna trigger this update child message, and this update child message is gonna emit a custom event. Okay, for the parent. Okay, for the parent it will emit a custom method or the custom event. Okay, so guys, just save the code and go to the browser and see the output first. Okay, so we got the button here also. So change child message. As of now, nothing will happen. Whenever you will click on this button, nothing is gonna happen. Okay, so yeah, so for this functionality, we have to define one method inside the parent components. Okay, so first of all, just create this update child message inside our child components only. So copy this, and we are gonna create this method now. So I'll say here below this, I'll say here method, okay, methods, okay, put colon, open and closing braces, and now copy this update child message, and it is gonna the button when the button is going to be clicked, it is gonna trigger this update child message, which will emit a custom event for the parent, okay, for the parent. Okay, so copy it from here and just define it inside the methods. So put open and closing parenthesis, okay. So yeah, open and closing braces. So now we will say here this dot emit, okay. So we will say here this dot dollar emit, okay. So guys, this is the syntax, okay. So we have to say here, we have to define here one custom event, okay. Guys, inside the emit function we have to define one custom event for the parent components, okay, for the parent components, okay. So I'm gonna define here update, okay, update message, okay, update message. And guys, here we are gonna also send one payload, okay. Guys, if you don't know that what is the emit function and how to create the emit function and how to send the data along with the custom event, then please guys, just go back and please try to watch my previous videos on emit function in Vue.js 3, okay. Guys, I strongly recommend you, please guys, just go and watch my previous videos on what is emit function and how to use the emit function to create the custom event and to send the data, to send the payload along with the custom event to the parent components, okay, to the parent components, okay. So guys, we will say here this dot dollar emit, we will just create this custom event which is update message, and guys, now we are gonna send here one payload also for the parent components, okay. So guys, this payload is optional, okay. Guys, this payload is an optional parameter, but the event name is compulsory, is mandatory if you want to emit something from the child components to the parent components, okay. So guys, here also I'm going to define here one payload also. So I'll say here single quote, it is up to you, you can also put here double quotes also. So I'm going to define here one payload for the parent components from this child components using the custom event update message, okay, update message. So guys, whenever this button is going to be clicked, okay, whenever guys this button is going to be clicked, it will trigger, okay, it will trigger this event, okay. You can see here I have defined here at the red click, so it will trigger this update child message, okay, and then it will emit, okay, this event will emit, okay. You can see here this event will emit a custom event which is update message for the parent, okay, along with the data, along with the payloads, okay. This payload is optional, you can omit it, you can leave it if you don't want to send anything to the parent, but this event custom event is a compulsory parameter for this emit method, okay. But guys, here I'm gonna send one payload to the parent components using the update message, which is a custom event, okay. So I will define here one payload also. So guys, you can define here text, you can define here array, you can define here object, guys, you can define here anything as a payload, okay. So I will define here one text for the parent, okay. So I'll say here update, okay, updated message, so give the capital M, it will look good, okay. Updated message, okay, from the child, okay, from the child component, okay. So yeah, okay, so I'll say here, okay, so I have received your array, okay. The child component is gonna letting know the parent component that we have received your array, okay. So it is letting know the what can I say, parent components that I have received your array, okay. So okay, so just we have to guys define, so we have to just say here we have to copy this update message, okay, inside our this child components, okay, inside our this child components. So we will just say here, just copy this update message. Okay, because as I already told you that this is a custom event, this is a custom event. Okay, so we have to define this event to our custom HTML tag, which is this child hyphen components. Okay, so we have copied it, and I'll say here at the rate, so paste it and just give comma, I mean hyphen, and we have to put here small m, because HTML tag is a case sensitive. Okay, because HTML tag is a case sensitive. Okay, so whenever guys you will define something using the camel case notation, okay guys, always remember, whenever you will define something as a camel case notation, okay, so you have to say here this update hyphen message, m is small, and guys now we have to define here one method name also, as I already told you that this is a update message is a custom event, so we have to use this event on this child components. Okay, and we have to define here one method also, which will be defined inside the parent components. Okay, which will be defined inside the parent components. Okay, so I'll say here update okay, update parent, okay, update parent message. Okay, update parent message. So we will just define this update parent message inside the parent components below this. So I'll say here method, so methods, put colon and put open and closing braces, and paste it here and say here parenthesis and open and closing braces. Okay, sorry guys. So guys, as you can see here, this update message is sending one payload also, one data also for the parent component. Okay, so we have to receive it also guys inside the parent component. Okay guys, as you can see here, this child component is sending one payload, one data, along with this custom event, which is update message. So we have to receive this data, we have to receive this payload inside the parent components. Okay, so guys, we have to receive it. So guys, now I'm gonna receive it, so I'll say here update parent message. So I will just pass here one parameter, one argument to this function. Okay, so I'll say here msg, you can say anything. I'm gonna say here msg, which is short for message. Okay, so guys, now we have received this payload, we have received this data, which is coming from this child components, along with this custom event update message inside this parent components. Okay, inside this parent components as a parameter, as an argument msg. Okay, so guys, now all the things which is coming from this payload from this child components is inside this msg. Okay, is inside this msg. So we will just use this msg just to show the, just to change the this parent message from hello from parent to this, okay, to this updated message from the child components, I have received your array. Okay, so we will just use this msg, okay, to update this variable name parent message. Okay, so we will just say here this dot, okay, this dot parent message. Okay, this dot parent message. Okay, so we will just give here equal to this msg. Okay, this msg. Okay, it is as simple as that. Okay, so just close this. Okay, so guys, I hope guys I have explained you to the code in depth also. Okay, so guys, if you still have any doubt, any query regarding these videos, please guys do ask me in the comment section below. I'll try to address it, I'll try to resolve it. Okay, because guys, trust me guys, as a beginner, as a new learner of Vue.js 3, guys, it is very compulsory, it is mandatory to master the Emit function and to master the props inside the Vue.js 3. Okay, if you want to become a great Vue.js developer. Okay, so guys, it is compulsory for you to master these techniques like props, Emit as well. Okay, so guys, as I explained you already, so guys, now just save your code and just go to the browser and just refresh the page. Okay, so yeah, already refreshed. So guys, now just click on the button change child message. Okay, change child message, See, boom guys, it works. See, updated message from the child components. I have received your array. Okay, so guys, this is the payload we have defined here inside our child components. Okay, you can see here. Here you can see here, guys. Okay, you can see here. Okay, so guys, I hope guys I have explained you to the core, to the deep also. Okay, so guys, you can see here in this video guys, we have learned about props as well as the Emit function. Okay, so guys, we have learned about props as well as the Emit function in a single video, in this video only. Okay, so guys, I hope guys we have come to the end of this video, end of this session. Okay, so guys, in the next video we are gonna learn something awesome, something great. Okay, so let me just show you guys what we are gonna learn in the next video. Okay, so let me just show you what we are gonna learn. So just minimize this window and just open this. Okay, and yeah, so guys, let me just show you what we are gonna learn. Sorry guys, in the next video, so we are gonna learn guys guys, just give me 1 minute. Okay, 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 so guys, let me just open the XAMPP. Okay, for this Beninners XAMPP, so let me just open it. So start the Apache, start the MySQL. Okay, so just minimize this, go to the developer tool, go to this PC and open this, go to the XAMPP, go to htdocs, and yeah, just open this Vue project, and yeah guys, in the next video we're gonna learn that how to create this dynamic product page in Vue.js 3. Okay, so guys, as you can see here, this is a product page. Okay, and guys, here we got some like a categories also, like fruit is a one category. Okay, electronics is a one category. Okay, accessory is a one category, and vegetable is a one category. Okay, so guys, total we have 4 category here on this page. Okay, so guys, here you can see the select menu also. So from this select menu you can choose the category. Okay, so guys, I'm gonna choose here fruit. See, this category belongs to fruit only, so choose electronics. So see, this belongs to electronics only. This all these products belongs to electronics only, so choose here accessory. So see, we got 2 products only in accessory. Okay, so choose here vegetable. So see, this products belongs to vegetables only. You can see onion and some mixed vegetable, I can say. And here guys, you can see all the products also. Okay, so choose all the products. So see, you can see here all the products. Okay, so guys, you can see here it is really dynamic and really, you know, cool also. If guys see, this is sold out, in a stock, sold out. See, add to cart, it is not inside the it is already sold out, so we can't add this product into the cart. We can't add this product also into the cart. See, electronics, it is already sold out, so we can't add it into the cart. It is in a stock, so we can add this product into the cart. It is in stock also, so we can also add this product into the cart. Sold out. Okay, we can't add this product into the cart. Okay, so it is also sold out, so we can't add it. You can see the button is disabled also, we are not able to see the price also, and it is also saying that sold out 0. Okay, in a stock we can add this to the cart. In a stock we can add this to cart. In a stock we can add this product to the cart also. Okay, so you can see we have shown the price also in a stock, with the green dot, in a stock with the green dot, out of stock with the red dot. Okay, out of stock with the red dots. See, out of stock with the red dots. Okay, in a stock, and I have shown the in a stock what can I say, number also. So 120 is the number which is inside this in a stock. 20 is in a stock. 0 out of stock. 0 out of stock. Okay, so see, so guys, see how dynamic and how cool our product page is. Okay, so guys, we are gonna learn that how to create this kind of dynamic product page in Vue.js 3. Okay, in the next video, in the next session. Okay, so guys, I hope guys like I have explained you that what is the props and what is the emit function in a single video. Okay, so guys, I hope guys we have come to the end of this video, end of this session. Okay, so guys, if you still have any doubt, any query regarding this video, regarding this session, then please guys do let me know in the comment section below. I will try to resolve it. I will try to address it. Okay, and guys, if you have any suggestions for me for my videos as well, okay, then please guys do give it to me, whether it will be positive or negative. Okay, I will try to implement it. I will try to use your suggestions inside our video. Okay, so guys, just let me know whether I'm speaking too fast, whether my voice is not clear, whether my voice is not understandable, whether I should make my videos in Hindi only, or whether I should continue making my videos in English only. Okay, guys, do let me know. I'll try to use your suggestions. I will try to use your feedback. Okay, from my next session, from my next video itself. Okay, so guys, see you guys in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye guys. This is Prabhat Pandit signing off now.